Greetings of the day, children. This is the last video of number systems, and in this video we will learn to locate numbers such as square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5 on number line, and also to locate square root of 6.3, square root of 9.8, etc. geometrically. So watch this video carefully and don't forget to prepare your own notes. So be ready with your compass, protractor, scale and pencil. Yes, children, you know how to represent rational numbers on number line. Do you know how to represent irrational numbers on number line? Yes, it is a little bit difficult to represent irrational numbers on number line. Let us take one example. Represent root 2 on number line. Take down. Represent root 2 on number line. Before going to this, we need scale, pencil, protractor and also compass. Now draw one right triangle here. I will construct one rough figure of a right triangle. Take it as ABC. Right angled at B. Now AB is known as the base of the right triangle and BC is known as the height of the triangle and AC is known as hypotenuse. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, this concept is very important to locate irrational numbers on number line. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, what does it say? Hypotenuse square of the hypotenuse AC square is equal to square of the sum of the square of other two sides AB square plus BC square. Suppose AB is equal to 1 unit and height BC is equal to 1 unit, then what about hypotenuse AC? Substitute the values. AB is equal to 1, it's a square, plus BC also 1. So 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 2. AC square is equal to 2. Therefore, AC is equal to square root of 2. So, we need this to locate on number line. First, draw a number line. Draw a number line. Note 0 at the center and take 1 unit. See as you wish in your compass. To the left of 0 it is plus 1 and to the right of 0 it is plus 1 and left to the 0 it is negative 1 minus 1 and we can continue from here. This is plus 2 and it is enough. And now draw perpendicular from here. See, this is B and AB is equal to what? 1 unit. Draw perpendicular at B. Take your protractor, adjust the protractor to 90 degree at B and mark it. Draw perpendicular. This is 90 degree. Again, take 1 unit length on perpendicular and take it as BC. This is also 1 unit. Now join AC. AC is what? Now we can see one right triangle here, ABC. So AC is equal to root 2. Now A as the center and AC as the radius in your compass, cut an arc on number line. This is also root 2. So this is square root of 2. In this way we can locate square root of 2 on the number line. Did you get this? Okay, complete it. Next, let us see how to locate or represent root 3 on number line. Represent root 3 on number line. Once again, draw a right triangle rough figure. This is only a rough figure. Right angled at B. Take AB as root 2 unit and BC as 1 unit. And what about AC hypotenuse? According to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to what? Correct? Yes. So substitute the value of AB. It is root 2. It's a square. Plus BC as 1. So 1 square. Square root cancelled. So 2 plus 1 square is 1 is equal to 3. Therefore AC is equal to square root of 3. Right? Now draw a number line. And note 0 at the center and take 1 unit to the right of 0, it is plus 1, and to the left it is minus 1. Continue from here, take 1 unit. So this is plus 1 and this is negative 1, this is 2, right? Now continue the same procedure as before. Take this as A and this as B, and this is what? 1 unit length, and draw perpendicular at B. First you should construct or represent root 2 on number line. Yes, now this is 90 degree and take again 1 unit on perpendicular and let it be BC. This is 1 unit. Join AC. Now AC is what? Square root of 2 unit. Take A as the center and AC as the radius. Draw cut and arc on number line, and this shows square root of 2 on number line. We need this root 2 on number line. Now take this as C, root 2 as C, and draw perpendicular because it is root 2, base AB is equal to root 2. So we take AC as root 2 unit and draw perpendicular at C, perpendicular at C. Again, see what is BC? Length of BC is 1 unit here. So take 1 unit again. This is 1 unit. So take same unit. This is 1 unit. So let it be D point. Now join A, D. This is what? Square root of 3. Now with A as the center and AD as the radius, cut and arc on number line. This shows square root of 3. In this way, we can represent root 3 on number line. Right? Shall we move? Okay. Take one more question. Question number 3. Represent root 5 on number line. Again, draw a right triangle. Now, take the base as 2 unit. If it is 2 unit and height is 1 unit, and what about hypotenuse? Same apply Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So it is equal to 2 square plus 1 square. It is equal to 2 square is 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. AC square is 5. Therefore, AC is equal to square root of 5. Now, draw number line. And locate 0 and let it be A, and take 1 unit to the right and to the left. This is plus 1 unit and this is negative 1 unit, and take this as plus 2 and this is plus 3 and so on. This is enough. Now we need base as 2 units. So from A to B, length is what? 2 unit. Now we have to draw perpendicular at B. Draw perpendicular. Okay. Use pencil only. This is 90 degree. Now, what is BC? BC is of length 1 unit. So, take 1 unit length. This is 1 unit. So, take 1 unit on perpendicular and this point be C. So, this is 1 unit. Now, join AC. Join AC. Here AC is the hypotenuse. So we can observe right triangle ABC. If base is 2 unit, height is 1 unit, so hypotenuse is what? 5, square root of 5. Now take your compass with A as the center and AC as the radius. Yes, cut an arc on number line. Now this will represent square root of 5. In this way, we can locate square root of 5 on number line. Yes. Now let us see how to represent an irrational number such as square root of a decimal number on number line. Take down one example. Represent square root of 6.8 on number line. First, we have to take one number line using your scale and pencil. Take one number line. Yes. This is a number line. Now, on this number line, take 6.8 unit, or you can take 6.8 centimeter. Line segment on this number line, 6.8 centimeter. This is B, let this as A, and this length is 6.8 unit. Now again, take BC is equal to 1 centimeter. BC is equal to 1 unit. 1 unit. This is 1 unit. So total AC, length of AC line segment is 7.8 centimeter. Now bisect the line AC. How can you bisect the line segment AC? You know, in 8th standard you studied about how to bisect the line segment. Now look at here, keep with A as the center and take more than half of AC. See, this is AC. More than half of AC as the radius. Cut two arcs above AC and below AC. Right? Now, without change the radius, keep C as the center. Draw two more arcs. Let them intersect at 2 points. Now, join these 2 points. See, these 2 points, let them passes through this point. Take this as O. Now, with O as the center, see, now AC is divided into equal two parts. See, OC and AC both are equal. Now, draw with the O as the center, draw a semicircle passing through AC. Passing through AC. Right? Yes, in this way, draw a semicircle. Now, at B, draw perpendicular. Draw perpendicular at B. Take your protractor and draw perpendicular. Now, this perpendicular will intersect the semicircle at a point. Take this as D, and this is 90 degree. Now, the length of BD is square root of 6.8. This length is equal to 6.8. Now, using this as the radius with B as the center, draw or cut an arc on number line. Cut an arc on number line. This is what this represents, square root of 6.8. In this way, we will represent or locate square root of 6.8 on number line. This height BD is equal to square root of 68. Right? Did you get this? Yes. Similarly, we can construct one more irrational number. Take down. Represent square root of 9.3 on number line. On number line. First, draw a number line. Now, take AB as 9.3 unit as line segment AB on the number line 9.3 centimeter. See here, this is AB and the length is equal to 9.3 unit or 9.3 centimeter. This is B and this is A. Length is equal to 9.3 unit. From B, take 1 centimeter length and draw or take BC is equal to 1 unit. This is 1 unit. BC is equal to 1 unit. Now, using your compass, find the midpoint of AC or bisect the line segment AC with A as the center and take more than half of AC as the radius. Construct or draw two arcs above and below line AC and without changing the radius with the C as the center, take two more arcs, let them intersect at 2 points. Now join them. These 2 points will passes through a point O on number line. Now with O as the center and OC as the radius, definitely it will passes through A. Now draw a semicircle in this way, and next procedure, draw perpendicular at B. By the help of your protractor, draw perpendicular at B. Now let this will intersect the semicircle at D, and the length of this line, perpendicular line BD, is equal to 9.3 centimeter. Now take this length BD as the radius with the B as the center. Draw or cut an arc on number line. Now this shows, or this is square root of 9.3. In this way we can locate any irrational number on number line, right? Yes, this is our last video, and by this video we will finish the chapter number systems. Thank you.